you ever use the outline view in Microsoft Word? Well, Scrivener has a similarly named function where you can look at things from a kind of top-down level. Outline view can be found on the toolbar. So for a start, the outline view will show whatever binder container you have selected, so a folder or document with subdocuments, and this isn't restricted to the manuscript. If you have the whole manuscript selected, you'll see there are arrows at the left to expand each section for subdocuments. As standard, you're probably going to see title and synopsis, label, status, and section type. But if you click on the arrow at the end of the title line, you can select other standard options. There's also a custom option, which takes you to the project settings box metadata section, where you can select any other metadata you have inputted. Clicking on the title of a column will resort it from the original binder order to ascending and descending, splitting folders out from scenes. This is alphabetical on the titles, not sorting the numbering. And then back to binder order. This function might be more useful if you were using the label and status fields to define your manuscript and you were checking what still needed to be done. You could then group all the unfinished items together. If you double-click on a list field, you'll be given the option to choose a different option from the list, so you can update that here too if necessary. If you want to change titles from here, you can also do that. When you click off the field, the change will be reflected in the binder. The outliner is also another way you can update your synopsis, which is the same as your corkboard outline. If you already have text here, it will appear. But if you don't, you can simply press return in the box and start typing. Finally, if you want to change the column order, you can simply click on the title and drag it to where you want it. Well, I say finally, but of course, under File, Options, Appearance and Outliner, there are ways you can change the appearance of this screen with colours, fonts and grid lines. Next time we'll be looking at how to save your layouts and avoid a lot of unnecessary clicks.